It is a humbling experience to realize we cannot give anything to our Creator. Yahweh is everything. He doesn't need us, but we desperately need Him. The only thing we can truly offer Him is our heart, surrendered in submission to His way of life. Like in Deuteronomy 30, the following: if you walk in Yahweh's ways and keep His statutes and commandments and His judgments, and you shall live and multiply, and Yahweh your Elohim shall bless you in the land where you are going in to possess it. Our obedience, His Torah, His instructions, are not burdens, they are the path to life. Psalm 119 says the following: your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. We cannot give Him wealth, power, or fame. The highest gift is a heart fully yielded, walking in His truth. Submit your heart, follow His ways, and let your life reflect Him. May Yahweh bless you.